Hi, I'm Carla DeAndre. I'm here today to talk about child support, specifically when someone who owes you money does not pay you. So, to be owed money, you would be the custodial parent, and there would be a determination or an agreement of sorts where you were to receive monies from the other parent, called the obligated parent. Normally monthly, then it adds up to annually, and then of course over the life of the child or children's financial dependency period. So I have promised I'd talk about what to do or how to get money when they don't pay you, when you're not paid. So the first thing I would recommend is that you go to your local Office of Child Support Enforcement. This is a credit default risk. As a custodial parent, you are taking on the credit risk of the paying, or supposed to be paying, obligated parent. And so the Office of Child Support Enforcement in every state and then locally in your county, in your area, is structured, set up and structured to help you, because on this credit risk, well, there's no collateral. So it's not like a bank who can take back the car or take back the boat or take back the motorcycle or foreclose on a home. You have no recourse, so you have to go after their assets. So I was going to talk today a little bit about that. It's a complex subject because courts that determine the child support amount, and they also determine custodial parent, obligated parent, or in some cases both parents share custody, but we're going to go with the very simple one, which is custodial parent. Those courts don't enforce child support payments when they are not paid. I came to learn this the hard way, and so I can't speak on it as a credit expert. So I'm going to tell you about what I learned, and I hope you find some of it useful. But I recommend at all times you seek the Office of Child Support Enforcement and or an attorney for, as I did, and for proper counseling. You're going to find out that perhaps the best way to collect on your child support when there's no voluntary payment in full is through garnishment, wage garnishment. But wage garnishment is subject to wage garnishment laws. So it doesn't mean because someone is earning, you get the full earnings. It means you get some of it up to the wage garnishment law. The Office of Child Support Enforcement will help you do that. It's not going to help you if they're getting paid in cash, under the table, don't declare it. There's no help in those situations currently. It's wrong for that to happen. It does happen. The other tools in the toolkit the Office of Child Support Enforcement deployed that I've seen include judgments and liens. So a judgment is a piece of paper, it's an asset for you, and it says the following has happened and this amount of money is owed, and so to you, the custodial parent. They will view you as the creditor, and they'll view the obligated parent that owes you that money as the debtor. That falls under laws that, per state, that involve judgments. And it's very particular, and again, you have to get the proper counsel. Another tool that Office of Child Support Enforcement may use are liens. Liens are like a judgment, but instead of being free and not attached to an asset, a lien would attach to a house or attach to an asset if they could find one. So those are some of the more common tools that are used to help you collect what is due your children while you're the custodian. I hope you found this useful, and we hope you join us to improve child support enforcement in the United States. Thank you.